What's going on, y'all? Gonna put a market-wide update on BTC here. So first of all, none of this is trading advice. Please trade at your own risk. So let's get right into it. We've been dumping pretty hard since October. This to me is telling me that we're gonna go to at least 74K. If that doesn't hold, then 49K, and then my ultimate target for next year as a low is gonna be 38. So why do I choose these levels? If you know how I trade, I basically trade the fractal model. Shout out to T Trades. So basically I look for a reversal candle and I would trade the expansion candle following it. So if this yearly candle right here, if it's gonna print reversal and we took out 2024 highs, then we're gonna go for 2024 lows. That's basically it in a nutshell. So how would it look? It would basically look like this. So something like this. Let's say if it closes right there, right? So it would come like that. Now, I don't know what kind of reaction it's gonna have. Like, how do we get there faster or slower? I don't know. We only have the data in front of us as of right now. But if we get a monthly close below 82K, and then I would expect something like this to form. So we get this, and then December opens, it'll probably come retest, and then probably just start channeling down, and then like that. Ultimately, you want to see SMT. Oh, sorry, it's gonna come down here. Yeah, ultimately you want to see SMT with ETH either at 49 or 38. We're going to see how far the market makers really want to drive it down. I'm thinking they want to liquidate Sailor. Who knows? Who knows? But if you just look at it, I think it's pretty obvious, right? Even from just a technical classic perspective, you have a trend line break. Okay, and not only that, you have higher highs and higher lows. So how do you identify higher highs and higher lows? Anytime there's a swing, so a swing is a red and a green candle. So this is higher high. Here, I'll even break it down like this. So this is blue because it's bullish. All right, we broke trend bullishly in 2022. Higher highs here, higher lows here, higher low there, higher highs here, higher high there, higher low, and then one last one, and then we broke it. So right here, when do we break it? The most immediate swing is at 106. We're way beneath that, way beneath it. It wouldn't really make sense for us to come back up here, but I mean, who knows? I would rather think we just go to 74 and then retest 82 and then head lower. So that's it on a classical TH style. And then you can just even tell from here, our side's just shit's broken, man. It's cooked. It's cooked. All right, so if you go to a weekly chart, I'm gonna turn let me hide this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of, here, can I just do this? All right, we got a broadening formation. I'm gonna turn on the indicator. Okay, so what happened in October? October, we put a reversal candle. All right, November, which is this month, we started expanding. All right, so that's not good. I mean, maybe we get a retest 100, but I don't see it at the moment. We just couldn't break above. I think we're gonna retest, not retest, we're gonna test the bottom of this channel. It will look pretty nice if you get to 48 at minimum. All right, so that's basically it. I don't know what else you need to see, but this to me is not bullish. All right, so TLDR, we broke structure. We have a bearish fractal model printing. The 2024 lows are the draw, as if this monthly candle or this yearly candle closes red, so basically it has to close below 93k, then we're gonna look for 74.49, and the ultimate draw is 38k. That's only if the yearly turns red, which is likely. So that's TLDR, broke market structure, RSI is broken, bearish fractal. This is also the first yearly sweep in BTC's history. We've never had a red yearly sweep, so that's a first. What I'm anticipating, the max bullish scenario, is we're gonna get probably, here, let me hide this. Oops. We're probably gonna get like, we're gonna come down here. It's probably gonna open like this, and then it's gonna turn green. It's actually gonna come like, it's probably gonna be like this. This candle would not even surprise me if we get it next year. Okay, so this would be the best case scenario for bulls. Get to 38 and just pump it. And then ultimate target would be like, I don't know, 230, which sounds kind of insane, ridiculous. Actually want 170, so you can get like a 3x off that, maybe. But who knows? Who knows? Could go even higher. It depends on how you draw your trend lines or your parabolas. I don't know. But for now, my ultimate target is just buying at 38k. So let's talk about ETH. Yeah, so there's a thing called mother bars that I learned from the Strat and Alex Options. Shout out to the GOAT. Basically, when you have a huge directional candle, this one right here from January 2021, and you have a bunch of inside candles, when you tap the first candle to tap the extreme range, it's gonna close below and deviate and go for the other range. So in this case, ETH, I'm looking at 716. That's my ultimate target. I mean, this looks like shit right now. This looks like a deviation. So I would not be surprised we just dump from here. I don't know how fast it can be, but once we get that out of the way, we'll be fine, you know. So then we can come here and then start working our way up. That's my plan on ETH. XRP, I'm gonna say 38 cents. Same kind of idea on Bitcoin. You know, bearish 2025 candle. That means 2024 lows are the draw, so 38 cents. But who knows? Obviously, this is my opinion. I've been getting hate messages being like, "Oh, clown GIF," or "You don't know what you're talking about. You just want people to lose their money." That's the last thing I want people to do. I don't want, if anything, I want you to save your money and buy at good prices. I mean, it's not financial advice. That's just my outlook. I don't want anyone to fail. I want everyone to succeed. So yeah, XRP 38 cents. The one chart I don't really know or understand is Sol's chart. So Sol's chart, I don't know. Sol's chart, to me, it probably has to go to here, 49.30 on the Bitcoin side, on the BTC pair, sorry. So it has to come here, and then I'll be interested in this trending again. For USD, maybe we get to $8. That sounds horrible, actually. Maybe we get that low. Maybe this draw right here. It's just that the chart doesn't make, I mean, it looks disgusting. It just looks gross. I don't see how anybody is bullish at all after this market structure break, after here. This doesn't incite any confidence. If anything, they're gonna start flushing it even more, in my opinion. They're gonna turn on the jets. So be worried that they're probably gonna have more headlines in FUD. Maybe a major exchange goes down like Binance. Maybe somebody gets arrested or some kind of black market thing. Who knows? They're gonna have some kind of black swan event to headline it. So that's my outlook on Bitcoin. Hope you guys enjoyed and just stay safe out there. Peace.